Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and if you know me, you know that extra virgin olive oil is hands down one of my all-time favorite things to cook with and finish food with. With its superior flavor and added richness to any dish it comes in contact with, it's no wonder why that it's been used for generations. Recently, Heinen's has removed all pure, light, or unfiltered olive oil in its store, and in the process, has loaded up the shelves with an assortment of extra virgin olive oils, with the main reason being that it is better for cooking, health, and overall value. With a wide array of extra virgin olive oils from Mediterranean countries and throughout California, we know we have a fantastic oil waiting for you that can meet your needs and everyday budget. Now, there are definitely different uses depending on the EVOO you choose. Some are great for cooking, while others are great for finishing. But what I want to do is address the cooking first. There's a huge misconception that extra virgin olive oil isn't great for cooking. I'm here to say that is 100% false. It has a smoke point of 400 degrees, and its rich, buttery flavor adds an incredible amount of deliciousness to whatever it is you're cooking with. I promise you, once you try it, there's no going back. Some of my favorite oils for cooking are Filippo Berrio, the Heinen's brand, and California Olive Ranch. You can use these for all of your culinary purposes. Filippo Berrio specifically has a well-balanced flavor. It uses a blend of olives from Greece, Italy, and Spain. It's perfect for sautéing or pan-searing. It's one of my go-tos. The Heinen's brand EVOO has a superb flavor, and with a great smoke point for roasting, it's one of my favorites for oven cooking or sautéing. You will always find this one in my cabinet. My other favorite is California Olive Ranch, which is bottled in California, and it uses a combination of olives from Argentina, Portugal, Chile, and California. It has excellent flavor and is also great for any of your stovetop cooking needs. It's even great for baking. While these oils are great for cooking, there are others that are great for finishing, drizzling, and dipping. Some of my go-to staples are Totoni, Castillo de Canena, and the Olive Truck. All are absolutely wonderful and jam-packed with delicious flavor. Totoni is an old world oil that is made and bottled in Italy using 100% Italian olives. This one is perfect for adding to a plate with pepper and cheese and dipping bread into it. Love this. We also love to use it to finish pastas with for that extra Italian taste. This one is a favorite. Next is Castillo de Canena, which is bottled at a centuries-old olive estate in Spain using all Spanish olives. This finishes off food extremely well, like with tomatoes or Kalamata olives, or even drizzling on vegetables for a wonderful finish. This is a total keeper. Lastly is the Olive Truck. This uses olives right from California and is bottled right on location in a truck right there in the grove to capture the perfect ripeness. This is a go-to for me when finishing off vegetables or steak. Its excellent flavors complement perfectly anything that I add to it. So many great extra virgin olive oils to choose from while being able to meet all your needs, whether it's cooking or finishing food with. I promise you, there's an oil waiting for you. I can't wait to see what you do with all these EVOOs. We'll see you next time.